Planning a home renovation, but tired of the same old options? Afraid you'll end up with the same thing as everybody else? How about trying something different? Reinvent your interiors with a touch of modern European elegance and style from Encore Gallery. At Encore Gallery's home design centers, we've put together beautifully curated collections of European products for your bathroom and kitchen. Our inventory includes thousands of products sourced from some of Europe's finest brands and designers. At Encore Gallery, you'll find a wide selection of modern European home products to inspire your renovations and interior design projects. Our contemporary tiles and finishings are the work of some of Europe's top artists. From materials inspired by nature to those that capture the essence of European style, our products are the work of an artistic vision that will allow you to create something truly extraordinary from your bath to your kitchen and beyond. Reimagine your interiors with the art and elegance of European style and innovation. Designed differently with Encore Gallery. Visit us online at encoregallery.us to get started on your free quote and rendering, or stop into one of our state-of-the-art home design centers in Chicagoland to view our products and stunning collections.